Hi there, students. A press gang. To press gang somebody into doing something. Okay, this is to force someone to do something. Let's see, you know when a group of friends say to you, oh, please go on, would you do it? Or your mum says, please do it. If you don't do it, I know you don't love me. To press gang somebody into doing something, to force somebody to do something, to coerce them to do something. So they press ganged me into playing the piano. Yeah, to press gang somebody into doing something. To get them to do it, to force by strong persuasion, but to get them to do something that they didn't want to do. Normally, I was press ganged into doing this. I was press ganged into helping them on Saturday. To coerce somebody into taking a certain action. Yeah, I was press ganged into helping these people. Okay, so to coerce somebody to do something that they're reluctant to do. To press gang a consumer into buying something that they don't really want. Okay, so it's to coerce, to force, to make it very difficult for somebody to say no. Yeah. Life is full of situations where we're press ganged into doing various things. My friends press ganged me into joining the committee. Okay, so to press gang, to force somebody to do something that they're not really very keen on the idea of doing at all. Okay, so I was press ganged into playing in the charity football match. I want 3 volunteers, you and you. That's press ganging. So let's look at the origin of this. This used to be a method of recruitment for the Royal Navy. A press gang is a group of sailors from a ship who go round and they take people, and they normally hit them over the head or tie them up or kidnap them and take them and put them on the ship, and then the ship sets sail. So to press gang, this is the idea of a press gang, a body of men employed to force people into naval service. Now, the technical name for this is impressment. Yeah, impressment, the press gang. Okay, this is to effectively enslave men into service on a ship by compulsion. Impressment can be with or without notice, and the idea of the press gang is several people with large sticks walking around an area near the sea, a town near the sea, and just kidnapping people to take with them. However, the reality is usually the people who were press ganged were merchant seamen and merchant sailors, although there were other people, non-seamen were sometimes press ganged into service as well, but normally not. And the press gang, this was one of the reasons why the Americans had started the American War of Independence, because the British were press ganging American sailors into working for them. Okay, also notice this press gang, it was legal. There had been various court cases about it, but it was legal. But now we don't. We have conscription. Yeah, they conscript somebody into the army or the navy. Whereas in those days, there was the Pressgang, or that at least for the Navy. But this doesn't exist anymore. Now we use it in this idea to Pressgang somebody into doing something. A group of people pressurize somebody into doing something. Yeah, I was Pressganged into playing. I was Pressganged into helping. I was Pressganged into donating this. My kids Pressganged me into letting them use my car. Formality, to Pressgang somebody into doing something. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you use it anywhere in something very formal. Maybe just, but definitely informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And, well, they press you into doing something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Pressgang somebody into doing something. I was Pressganged.